morning to you all. So today I am going to explain what is classification of the chapter Diversity in Living Organisms of class 9. We will come to know about the classification and taxonomy. In my last video, I have already told you there are variety of animals, variety of plants found on this earth, around 10 millions, but known are 1.7 to 1.8 millions. And they have different life forms, like they have different shapes, different sizes, different colors. There are so many animals and plants which are still unexplored. They are not explored. If I tell you to learn the names of all these 1.7 to 1.8 millions of animals and plants name, will it be easy for you? I don't think so. अगर मैं आपसे ये कहूँ कि आपको सबके नाम याद करने हैं क्योंकि आप बायोलॉजी पढ़ रहे हैं, तो क्या ये आपके लिए संभव होगा? बिल्कुल नहीं. So that is why these animals and plants are classified. So what do we mean by classification? Classification means method of grouping the living organisms. On the basis of similarities and differences, and arranging these groups systematically into closely related orders is called classification. What it is called? Classification. And what do we mean by taxonomy? You know, the branch of science that deals with identification, nomenclature and classification of organisms is called taxonomy. The branch of science that deals with identification, nomenclature and classification of organisms is called taxonomy. Identification you know well, identifying on the basis of their character. Nomenclature means what? Giving them name, universal name, and classification means dividing them on the basis of similarities and differences. So this all when come together, what do we say? Taxonomy. Now what are the needs of classification? Why do we need to classify? I have already told you that classification is needed to identify the organisms. For example, I am telling you, when you go to buy anything in grocery shop, जब आप कभी भी किसी ग्रॉसरी शॉप में कुछ खरीदने जाते हैं और आपने कुछ मांगा, तो शॉपकीपर क्या ढूंढना शुरू कर देता है? हर डब्बे को, हर टिन को, हर कॉर्नर में जाके क्या वो सामान ढूंढना शुरू करता है? नहीं, बिल्कुल नहीं. ऐसा इसलिए नहीं होता है कि उसने बड़े ही अच्छे से अपने एक छोटे से शॉप में ही हर कॉर्नर को क्लासिफाई कर दिया है. किस कॉर्नर में मुझे क्या रखना है, वेयर आई हैव टू कीप द ग्रॉसरीज, पल्सेस, राइस, स्पाइसेस और ऑयल और आइटम्स लाइक वेफर्स और स्टेशनरी आइटम्स, everything you will see, or everything that person has kept in right order, and he has determined or he has classified his complete room in a different corners, so that whenever anyone will come, ask anything, he can go easily and take that thing and give. So this classification makes, in case of study, it makes the study easy. And another thing, it helps in understanding the evolutionary history of organisms, how this organism has come, who was before it. It also provides knowledge about the origin and genetic relationship among living beings. One can know the characteristics of the whole group of organisms by studying only a few members of that group. So this classification provides informations needed for all the branches of biology. Now what are the basis of classification? ये सारे organisms को किस basis पे classify किया गया? First was complexity of cell structure. Means what? Either they are prokaryotics or eukaryotics. Either they are prokaryotics or eukaryotics, means nucleus is well bounded, prominent or not, or nucleus is without boundary, without cell membrane. Then the second one was their complexity of body structure, means the animals are unicellular or the animals are multicellular. On the basis of this also they are divided. And the third one was mode of nutrition, means what? Are they autotrophic or heterotrophic? If they are autotrophic, they are green plants. And if they are heterotrophic, either they are non-green plants or they are animals. So on the basis of these, they are classified. Even eukaryotes are classified on the basis of producers, consumers and decomposers. Producers, consumers and decomposers. So on this basis, means what? Based on complexity of body organisms and based on complexity of cell structure and on the basis of mode of nutrition, all these animals and plants are classified. All these animals and plants are classified. So this was the basis of classification, and I also made you understand about the definition of classification and the needs of classification. I also made you understand by giving the definition of taxonomy. So in my next video, I will be explaining of hierarchy of categories, how they are categorized in groups, and who has given this category. Till that, thank you all of you.